Have you ever wondered if it's possible to make money without constantly punching the clock, allowing you to live life on your terms? Is there a way to generate income while you're spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or simply catching up on some much-needed rest? Well, you're in the right place because in today's fast-paced world, we're about to unveil the secrets of making money while you sleep. Welcome back to Minted Fortunes, the channel where we unravel the mysteries of financial independence. In this video, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the realm of passive income, those streams of revenue that continue to flow even when you're not actively working. It's a journey that holds the promise of financial freedom and flexibility. So, isn't it time we explored the incredible world of making money while you sleep? Now, let's dive in and discover how to turn your dreams of financial security into a reality. Understanding passive income. Passive income is like planting the seeds of financial independence. It's the money that keeps flowing into your bank account while you're busy pursuing your passions or simply enjoying life. To truly harness the power of passive income, it's essential to understand its various forms. From dividends earned on investments to royalties from creative works, the sources are diverse, and each has its unique appeal. Imagine you're an investor and you've put your money into a well-diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and real estate. As you go about your daily life, the companies you've invested in continue to generate revenue and pay dividends. Your rental properties yield monthly income, and your royalties from a book you authored keep arriving in your mailbox. This blend of income streams is your passive income orchestra, playing harmoniously in the background while you pursue your passions. Understanding the nature of these income sources is the first step in building a more secure and prosperous financial future. The power of investments. Investing is like nurturing a garden. You plant the seeds of capital, and over time, they grow into flourishing financial assets. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles offer a path to passive income. The beauty of investing lies in the potential for your money to work for you. Imagine owning a slice of a company's shares. As the business prospers, it distributes a portion of its profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. This consistent stream of income requires minimal effort once you've made your investment. Now, picture yourself as an investor who has carefully selected dividend-paying stocks. These companies have a history of stability and a commitment to rewarding their shareholders. As quarterly dividends roll in, you receive a tangible reminder of your investment's potential to generate passive income. It's not just about the financial returns. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing your investments are steadily growing your wealth even when you're not actively involved. The power of investments lies in their ability to compound your wealth over time, providing financial security and opening doors to new opportunities. Building a passive income portfolio. Building a passive income portfolio is like constructing a sturdy financial fortress. It's a well-thought-out combination of assets that generate income while offering protection against market volatility. Your portfolio may include a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other income-generating instruments. Diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different asset classes helps mitigate risk and ensures a more stable flow of passive income. Imagine you're assembling your own portfolio. You allocate a portion of your capital to dividend-paying stocks for consistent cash flow. Bonds provide stability and regular interest payments. Real estate investments offer rental income and the potential for property appreciation. As you meticulously craft your portfolio, you're not just making investment decisions, you're crafting a roadmap to financial independence. Each asset in your portfolio serves a purpose, contributing to your passive income streams and helping you achieve your financial goals. The process of building a passive income portfolio is not just about selecting assets. It's about designing a blueprint for your financial future. The world of dividends. Dividend income is like receiving a paycheck from your investments, and it's one of the most appealing forms of passive income. Imagine you own shares in a well-established company. As a shareholder, you receive a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividends. These payouts can be monthly, quarterly, or annually, providing you with a steady stream of income. Now, consider yourself as an investor who's focused on building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. You've carefully selected companies known for their stability and track record of increasing dividends over time. With each dividend payment, you experience the tangible rewards of your investments. It's not just about the financial aspect. It's the sense of financial security and the knowledge that your investments are actively working to grow your wealth. Dividend income is more than just passive. It's the result of smart investment choices and a testament to the power of compounding. It's the financial equivalent of watching a tree you've planted bear fruit year after year. Real estate passive income. Investing in real estate is like planting the seeds of your financial future in bricks and mortar. It offers a tangible and often reliable source of passive income. Imagine owning rental properties. Each month, tenants pay you rent, which covers not only your expenses, but also generates additional income. The beauty of real estate is that it tends to appreciate over time, providing potential for both passive income and capital growth. Now, picture yourself as a real estate investor. You've invested in residential properties in a growing neighborhood. As tenants move in and out, you consistently receive rental income, often even after covering property management fees and maintenance costs. Your real estate portfolio acts as a steady cash flow machine, contributing to your financial security. It's not just about property ownership. It's about the journey of becoming a landlord and building wealth through passive income streams. Real estate allows you to participate actively or passively, depending on your preferences, making it a versatile choice for generating income. Online ventures and digital assets. In the digital age, the internet offers a vast landscape for passive income opportunities. From starting a blog or YouTube channel to affiliate marketing and selling digital products, there's a wide array of online ventures to explore. Think of it as setting up digital storefronts that operate 24/7, reaching a global audience. These ventures require effort and dedication up front, but can yield significant passive income over time. Now, imagine yourself as an online entrepreneur. You've launched a blog or YouTube channel, sharing your expertise in a niche you're passionate about. As your content gains traction, you monetize through advertising and affiliate partnerships. Your videos or articles continue to attract viewers and generate income, even while you're offline. It's the satisfaction of knowing that your digital presence is working for you, allowing you to earn money passively as your audience grows. Online ventures empower you to turn your knowledge and passion into a lucrative income stream, with the potential to earn while you sleep. Passive income through peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms are like bridges connecting borrowers and lenders in the digital world. As a lender, you provide funds to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Think of it as becoming a mini bank, where your money works for you by helping others achieve their financial goals. Now, picture yourself as a peer-to-peer lender. You've invested a portion of your capital on a lending platform. Borrowers apply for loans, and you choose to fund their requests. In return, you receive regular interest payments. It's like collecting the interest on a loan without the hassle of traditional banking. Peer-to-peer lending diversifies your passive income portfolio, offering a different avenue to earn while you sleep. It's about being part of a financial community that benefits both borrowers and lenders, all while generating passive income. Royalties and intellectual property. If you're a creator, royalties from your intellectual property can be a rewarding source of passive income. Imagine you're a talented musician or author. Your songs or books are available for purchase or licensing. Every time someone buys your music or your book is adapted into a movie or audiobook, you receive royalties. It's like having a perpetual source of income from your creative endeavors. Now, envision yourself as a creator. You've composed a beautiful piece of music, and it's available on various streaming platforms. Every time your song is played, you earn royalties. Your music reaches a global audience, and your income grows as your audience expands. It's not just about artistic expression. It's about turning your creativity into a sustainable income source. Royalties and intellectual property income showcase the power of your creativity and the ability to earn money from your artistic work, even when you're not actively creating. Maximizing tax efficiency. As you build your passive income streams, it's essential to consider tax efficiency. It's like having a financial playbook that ensures you keep more of what you earn. Various tax-advantaged accounts, such as IRAs and 400 and ONUCs, can help you reduce your tax liability on passive income. Deductions related to your investments and business expenses can further optimize your tax situation. Now, picture yourself as a financially savvy individual. You've set up tax-advantaged accounts to hold your investments, allowing you to grow your passive income tax-deferred or even tax-free. You also take advantage of deductions related to your investments and online ventures, minimizing your tax bill. Maximizing tax efficiency is not just about earning more, it's about keeping more of what you earn. It's a strategic approach to preserving your wealth, and ensuring that your passive income remains a reliable source of financial security. In conclusion, making money while you sleep isn't a distant dream. It's an achievable reality with the right strategies and mindset. Whether you opt for investments, real estate, online ventures, or royalties, the world of passive income offers a multitude of avenues to secure your financial future. By understanding the different income streams, building a diversified portfolio, and optimizing tax efficiency, you can embark on a journey towards financial independence and the freedom to enjoy the fruits of your labor, even in your sleep. If you found this exploration of passive income strategies informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content here at Minted Fortunes. Share your thoughts and experiences with passive income in the comments below, and join our community of forward-thinking financial enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of making money while you sleep. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building your path to financial freedom, one passive income stream at a time.